On a warm Sunday morning in the heart of Jamaica, the sun filtered through the vibrant green leaves, casting playful shadows on the blue-boarded church that stood proudly on Gold Road. It was a simple structure, yet it radiated an aura of warmth and hope, a second home for the community. Inside, the air buzzed with excitement as Brother Johnson, Pastor Parks, Pastor Nelson, and Overseer Mr. Morris gathered around the wooden altar, their laughter echoing against the stained glass windows. Each elderly pastor had devoted decades to nurturing the congregation, guiding them through life's trials, but today was different. Today, they were preparing for the annual Harvest Festival, a celebration of gratitude and community. Deacon Cole, the youngest among them at a spry 60, shuffled in with a basket of ripe mangoes, their sun-kissed skin glistening. "Good morning, gentlemen. Ready to sweeten the day?" He laughed as he placed the fruit on the altar, the bright colors a hint of the joy to come. "Ready as we'll ever be," chuckled Pastor Parks, his silver beard twitching with every word. "But I must say, we need more than these fine mangoes. Let's not forget the jerk chicken and the festival dance." Brother Johnson, the eldest and the most solemn of the group, nodded thoughtfully. "Ah, but my dear brothers, it's not just about the feast. It's about the fellowship, the stories we'll share, and the love we'll spread." His eyes twinkled as he spoke, memories of countless festivals flooding his mind. As preparations unfolded, the pastor shared stories of their early days. Brother Johnson recalled an unforgettable rainstorm that nearly washed away their first harvest festival, while Pastor Nelson recounted how a goat had once escaped and led the entire congregation on a wild chase down Gold Road. Laughter erupted as they painted vivid pictures of youthful mischief and the unshakable faith that had brought them through. As the sun began to set, painting the sky in hues of orange and gold, the church filled with families, friends, and laughter. The elderly pastors stood together, a living testament to faith and friendship forged in service. Deacon Cole rallied the children around the altar, teaching them the festival songs while Pastor Parks led the adults in joyous praise. Under the sprawling mango tree, with the aroma of jerk chicken wafting through the air, they celebrated not just the harvest, but the abundance of love that knitted their community together. And that night, as the moon rose high, laughter and song echoed down Gold Road, a reminder of the enduring happiness that thrived within their blue-boarded church.